Okay. So you can see today we'll discuss these commands. So to know the current location, what is the command? To know the current location, what is the command?
PWD.
Okay. Suppose, okay, df-h. So yesterday we created a few directories, right? Dir1. Okay. So Dire 1.1, Dire 1.2. Okay. So if you want to go to direct inside this location, give full path so that we are changing directory from current location to this location. So again, what is my PWD? This is my current location. So CD, we are going to use a change directory. Okay. Suppose now what is my current location? This is my current location. PWD. To know the current location, PWD. So if you want to go back one directory, if you want to go back one directory, means till this I want to go back. Means how many directories back? Only one directory back I want to go. I want to change my directory, one directory back. You can use this one CD. You can use this one or CD dot dot. If you want to go back one directory back, means till this location I want to go back. Till this location I want to go to this location. Yes, just one directory back. You can use CD space dot dot. Now you can say yes or no. The highlighted one, the current location, both are same. Again one directory back. Again one directory back. What is the command again? Yes.
CD dot dot
CD dot dot.
dot dot.
Now you can see PWD. Yes, one directory back means till here. The highlighted document, the highlighted location, the current location, both are same. So suppose I want to go to again, yes, to this location. Okay. So I want to go back two directories back. Means two directories back means till which till which one? Till this here. I want to go back two directories back. CD dot dot slash dot dot. Can say. So we have to one directory back, again one directory back, two directories back. I'm changing the directory, I'm changing my current location. Two directories back. What is my current location? This is my current location. So two directories back means this is one directory, this is another directory. So right now my current location, this is the user1 dir1. Clear cd space dot dot. It's back to one directory. Cd space dot dot slash dot dot. It's back to two directories. Suppose I want to go to again. Let me go to again this directory. I want to go back to three directories back. Yes, tell me. Three directories back means till user one I want to go back. Yes, tell me. Cd. Hmm. Yes.
CD dot dot slash
Hmm.
dot dot slash dot dot.
So three times I specified a dot dot. So it back to three directories. You can say immediately here it changed. User one means my current location slash user one. I back to three directories back. So this is how you can using cd command. Cd change directory. Cd space dot dot. It went into one directory back. CD dot dot slash dot dot, it back to two directories back. If you give three times, it back to three directories back. Clear? Any queries, anyone? Yes. Examples. Okay. CD dot 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 dot. It back to two directories. Two directories. Okay. If you keep three times, yes, it back to three directories back. The same examples. change directory. Okay. So change directory. cd, we are using change directory. Okay. So these are the examples. Second. Okay. Any queries from this one? So let me go to, so again, this location. Yes. What is my PWD? I want to go back one directory back. How can? Yes. cd. One directory back.
Dot dot.
Dot dot. So you can say one directory back means just till here I want to change my location. Yes, same location I am there. Okay. So next command. So how to copy the files? Yesterday we created files. How to copy the files? How to move the files? What is the difference between copy and move? Suppose if you move to present you are in Hyderabad location. If you move to Chennai location after moving, before moving, what is your location? Hyderabad. Suppose your current location. Suppose you are working in Hyderabad location, some company. After moving, what is your work location? Bangalore. So before moving, what is your current location? Before moving, what is your current location? Hyderabad. After moving, what is your current location? Bangalore. Means once you move to Bangalore, you are not Hyderabad. You are there in the Bangalore. Suppose if you copy the files, if you copy the files, if you copy the files, let's say copy and move the files. Okay. So copy means when you copy, when you copy, when you copy the files, when you copy the files from source to target location, the files will be available for the both locations, for both the locations. That means suppose if you copy user one file one slash root slash empty file to user one dir one, I am going to copy. We are using copy command. cp command, we are using cp command to copy the files. How to copy the files? We are using cp command. cp command. cp means copy. We use a cp command for copy the files within the server. Second, I want to copy the files one server to other server. What is the command? SCP. SCP is the command to copy the files between the servers. Yes. Okay. Okay. So CP, there is a file is there. What is the file location? Where the file is existing? Tell me. Where is the file is existing? Which location file is there?
Root, root.
Root.
Class root home directory. So the full path of file name. So we are going to copy this file from where? From slash root to where you want to copy to this location. Means this is the file we are going to copy from slash root to under this location. Once copied, after copy, the file will be available inside this location and inside this location. Means the file will be available both the places. That is the copy the files. We are copying, we are not moving. Once suppose if we use move command, the same file we are going to move the file from slash root to this location. After moving, now the file will be Available in target location only. Clear? Now the file will be available in source and target location. When you copy the file will be available, still it's available in this location and the target location. But when you move the file, after moving, the file won't be available in the source location. The file we already moved to target location. That's now the file will be available target location only. That is the cp command, move command. Okay. So let's second say cd, we are in the slash root. Okay, let me copy. Cp, there is empty file is there. So what is the current location? We already in the current location. We already in the current location where the file will be existing. So cp, so you can use you are in the same location where the file will be available. You can use full path or file name. That's fine. What is the full path? Slash root slash file name. Where you want to copy? Slash user1 dir1. Yes, you can say the file will be already existing in the user1 dir1. If it is already existing, it's asking overwrite. Yes, I want to. If it is existing, I want to overwrite. Yes, copied. So this is how we are copying. Now how to verify the file will be available slash root under slash user1 dir1. Now tell me. ls minus lrt. I want to specify this file is existing or not current location. How to specify? How to verify this file is existing or not? ls minus lrt empty file. Yes, the current location the file will be available. The target location I want to verify the file will be available or not. How to verify? ls minus lrt. From slash root, from this location I want to verify the file will be available or not, copied or not from this location. Yes, inside this location the file will be available or not, I need to verify. From where? Slash root location. How to verify? Target location, target file name. Yes, in the target location the file will be there. Or you can use cd, go to target location and you can verify ll. Yes, empty file is there. The file will be copied. The file will be copied. That is the cp command. Cp command. Okay. So initially, if not there directly copied, then you can verify. How to verify? ls minus lrt. Yes, empty file. File will be there. ls minus lrt target location. Target location. File will be copied. Okay, so cd, or you can verify, or directly go to target location, you can ll, the file will be available. So how to verify target location file? So if you are in the source location, give the target location under full path and file name, or directly go to target location. There no need to specify target location, just take ll or ls minus lrt. This is how we are copy the files. Okay, suppose, so where I am in? Okay, let me go back. PWD, LL. I want to copy the files. All the, what are the files started? What are the files started E letter? I want to display. What are the files started? File name started with a E letter. Yes, tell me. I want to display. Let me. Want to want to list out. Want to list out files which are starting with E letter. E letter means if any file which are, what are the files are there with the starting E letter, those files I want to display. I don't want to display other files. If any file is existing in the current location, yes, if it is started with E letter, I want to display all the files. Now tell me, ls minus lrt. E star, E star. Suppose if you want to see the files which are starting with A letter, yes, tell me. A letter.
A star.
That's it. A star. Only one file is there. If you want to display, if you want to list out the files which are started with the B letter, how can
B star.
B star? There is no files with a B letter. There is no files which are started with a B letter. There is no not existing. If it is existing, it will display. If you face this error means there is no files which are started with a B letter. Suppose what are the files are started with a end with a dot cfg you can say or dot gpg. Yes, how can ls minus lrt star dot, we are considering last extension dot cfg. Any file, the file name whatever, the extension means this is the extension, this is the file name, yes or no? This is the file name. This is the extension .log .cfg. Any file which are having extension .log .cfg, those files I want to display. Then star .cfg. Here A star means after A whatever the letters I don't bother about. If any file started with A, then display all the files which are started with A letter. If any file which are started with E letter, then display all. You can say these three files are started with E letter only. If any file which are having extension .cfg, those files I want to display .cfg. I want to display .log files. Now tell me the command. ls minus lrt
Star dot log.
star dot log. What is the meaning of star dot log means? So before dot means what are the file names I don't bother about. All the files I want, all the file names I want to print out, but the extension is mandatory. Dot log. Let's see. There is no files with the extension dot log. Clear? This is for list the files. The same way I want to copy the files. What are the files are started with E letter? Now tell me. CP. CP. I want to copy the files which are starting the file names letter E. All the files I want to copy the files which are started with E letter. Yes, tell me. CP. What is the full path? Slash root slash, what is the file name? All the files I want to copy which are started with E letter. Now tell me.
E star.
Yes. Target
Slash.
location user 1, dir 1, dir 1.1. Yes. So where I am going to copy, what is the target location here? User 1, dir 1, dir 1.1. After copy, where I want to go and see the files are copied or not? You have to go to this location and see, or you can give to ls minus lrt, give this location slash, it will display all the files. So now I am going to copy the files. What are the location slash root? If the any files are existing, what are the files which are starting with E star? Means the file names are starting with E letter. All the files copy to this location. After copy, the files are existing source location and target location. Where the files are existing after copy? Yes. After
Slash
execute this
slash
command,
E0
where
slash
the
dir
files are
1
existing, which location? The files are
slash
existing
E0
both the locations.
slash dir 1 slash or dir 1 dot
Yeah, both the
1.
locations. The files are existing, source location also available, target location also available. If you use move command, okay, okay, I copied. So how to verify the files are existing to source location? Yes, tell me. ls minus lrt. I want to,
Slash root.
yes,
Slash roots.
slash root slash e star.
E star.
Yes. All the files are existing source location. Target location also I want to see. How to verify? I can
ls
direct go to that location, I can verify, or from here I want to verify. ls minus lrt
e star
e star, that's it. Here target location e star. Here source location and e star means in the source location what are the files are there with e, it will display, yes or no. Target location I want to see with e star with the file names which are started with e letter, then you have to mention. If you are not mentioned this one, it will display all the files. You can say target location emp file, the same files we copied. So after copying, the files are existing source location and target location. Now we are going to move the files. MV. I want to move the files which are started with E letter from root to same target location or dir 1.2. This is my source location. Slash root E star. What are the files are there under root location? So from source location to what is my target location? To this location I want to dir 1.2. To this location I want to move. So now tell me the command. Yes. I want to move the command. Move the files. To move the files, what is the command we are using?
mv mv
MV. MV. Can say MV. Copy the files, move the files. Okay, let me to list out which start. Okay, let me keep this all the commands. ls minus lrt. You can see these all. You can. Yes. Now I want to move the files. Move the files. So how to move the files? Move command. MV. MV. MV is the command which we can use for moving the files. Moving the files from source to target location. Okay. MV command. MV file name, file path and name, then target location. This is the syntax. So what are the files we want to move? So what are the files are there? Slash root under slash root. What are the files are there with the starting e letter? I want to move to this location. Now tell me the command. MV source location, file names. What are the files are started with the under slash root e letter? I want to move all the files. Then go to target location. Where I want to target? Where 1.2. Yes, my target location, source location. After moving, now I want to verify the files are existing. Both the places are one place only. One place or both the place are files are existing.
one place
What is that is
target
the target?
yes target
Which one?
location.
Target. So we moved.
Um,
MV command is moved from what are the files are there in the source to target. After moving, there is no files are existing source location. We'll see. ls minus lrt, how to verify the files are existing source location or not?
slash root sir
Slash
ls
row to E star.
e
There is no
star
files right now. So target location, how to verify? ls minus lrt E star.
e star
You can see target location files are there. Source location, we don't have any files. It's saying no such file or directory. Clear? That is the current location. From current location to we moved MV command. We used MV command to move the files from source location to target location. Any queries? Copy the files. So if you want to copy single file, suppose you can say, I want to move the single file. How to move? MV. What is the source location? Slash root. Then this is the file. Suppose you can say That is the system file. I don't want to move. Okay, suppose this is the file. Yes. Where you want to move? Slash user one, dir1, dir1.1. Yes. Now you can say ll. There is no file, pink color file. Means after moving the file doesn't exist in the source location. Go to target location, you can verify. So this is how you can move the files, copy the files. Any queries from anyone? Copy the files, move the files. You can say cp star. If we give star, suppose, okay, let me, okay, want to copy all the files, move all the files from source to target. You can say, I want to copy all the files. Suppose cd user1 dir1 dir 1.1. How many files are there? You can say, I want to copy all the files. Suppose here 100 files are there. 100 files are there. Okay. So to keep all the files, it's very difficult. I want to copy all the files. cp star. It star indicates it consider all the files. It consider it's copying all the files. What is the target location? PWD. Yes, CP. So always okay. If you are in the same location, no need to mention path. If you are in the different location, yes, you have to mention the path. So slash star means on the current location we are copy all the files to target location where you want to copy. Slash user1 dir1. You can see too many arguments. Let me can say CD. Sorry, we are using CP, right? Yes or no? Not CD. CP. Can say so CP minus R, not a specified omitted directory. If you want to copy the directory as well, yes, you can use CP minus R recursively. Let me can say what is the current location files? LL. These are the files are there. One directory also there. One directory also there. So for all this, I want to copy to where user1 dir1 or user1 dir1. Let me go to user1 dir1. Let me see what are the files are existing. Okay, let me remove these all the files. Okay, rm minus rf. How to remove the files? We already discussed remove the files. Yeah.
RM,
Yes.
RM minus R.
Okay, we are not discussing, right? Okay. Next only. Okay. So to remove the files, rm. Rm is the command to remove the file. Rm minus rf to remove the directory as well. How to remove the files? So there is a two commands are there to remove the files. You can say rm minus rf file name to remove the file recursively, forcibly. To remove the just you can without user interaction. If you give rm, suppose rm file name empty file1, you can say it's asking. If you give only rm command, remove the command. For remove file we are using rm. So it's asking yes, we are going to remove the regular file. If you give yes, then only it's going to remove. If you give no, it's not removing. You can say file are existing. File are existing. Yes, it's not removing. We given respond. User respond no means it's not removing. So if you give remove rm file name, what is the file name? Yes, emp file1. If you give yes, it's going to remove. Now you can say there is no file existing emp file1. Yes or no? That is the user interaction response. It's asking to user, we are going to remove the file. Give confirmation yes or no. That is rm command. I don't want to User response. Directly remove without asking to user. Directly when you fire the command, immediately remove the file without asking to user. Then rm minus rf empty file 2. Can see? Yes, it's removed without any user interaction. It's directly removed. So the dangerous command rm minus rf. So we have to be very careful when we use this command. RM means yes, it's give chance to, it's asking to user yes or no. We are going to remove this file. If you give wrong file, suppose what are the file you want to remove, you given wrong file. Yes, if you want to keep, you can keep. But when you use RM minus RF blindly without user interaction, directly removed. That is the difference between RM and RM minus RF. Clear any queries from anyone? PWD, yes. Let me keep into notepad. Remove the files and directories. Okay. So this is the location currently. This is the location. Yes, PWD. These are the files are existing. Okay. So how to remove the files? RM. RM. Remove the files. RM is the command which we can use to remove the files after confirmed by user. Okay. RM minus RF. This is the command which we can use to remove the files without a user interaction. Without a user interaction. Clear? Okay. When you use RM command, it's asking to yes or no. If you no means it's not removing. If yes means if you respond with yes, it's going to remove them. So yes, remote. When you use RM and as RF, it's without any user interaction, it's going to remove. Clear any queries from anyone? Suppose let me create another directory. Dir 2. Okay, PWD. I created a directory 2. I want to remove this directory. For removing the directory also, we can use RM minus RF. Can say yes or no? So to remove the directory, remove the directory, RM minus RF. We can use this command to remove the directory. Can say we created on the present working directory, we create one directory. The directory we used RM and RF and removed. Yes, it's gone. That is how we can remove the files or directories. Clear any queries from anyone? Suppose I want to remove the files which are started with E letter. Now tell me command. I want to remove the files. I want to remove the files. Remove the files which are started with E letter. Yes, tell me. What is the command to remove the files first? RM minus RF. What are the file names which files you want to remove? Yes. I want to
E,
remove the files which are started with E letter.
E star.
That's it. I want to remove the files which are started with the EB letter. Now tell me the command. RM minus RF. I want to
EB
remove
star.
the files which are started with EB letter. Starting EB.
EB, EB star.
EB star. That's it. I want to remove the files which are end with dot log. Yes.
Star dot log.
Yes. I want to remove the files which are I want to remove the files which files having a letter. Which files? What are the files having a letter? File names. Star
A
A star. Star A star. Any files, what are the files are there? If any file name a letter is there, it's going to remove. Or you can say star A means if any file which are ending with a letter, if any file which are ending with a letter, it's going to remove the files. Clear? Okay, so that's how remove the files, remove the directories. Okay, now how to copy the directories? I have to copy the directories. Now you can say let me create one more directory. Directory. Okay. I want to copy all the files and directories to where I want to copy. Suppose let me create one directory slash root directory 3 directory 4 where I am going to create a directory where I am going to create a directory. Yes. Make directory. What is the command? This one. Yes. Please respond. What is the
Create
command?
a directory, sir.
It's creating
create
a
directory.
directory where I am going to create a directory. By seeing this command, what you
Under directory.
Under root.
under root, under
Under
directory,
Directory.
under root, it's going to create a, this one. Under directory 3, it's going to create a directory 4. So let me enter. Yes. This directory is created or not? How to verify? Tell me. We are not practicing Linux commands. It's very
ls
important.
lrt
ls,
ld
ld, yes. It is a
so
file ls minus lrt. If it is a directory, you have to give the full
ls
path. Which directory you want to verify whether it is existing or not. ls minus ld. Yes. If any files are there inside this location, this is the command. Total 0 means inside it's an empty directory created. Nothing is there. Total 0. If you want to see any files are there inside this ls minus lrt. This directory is existing or not. ls minus ld. Clear? Okay. I want to copy the files. What is my pwd slash user one dir one. I want to copy these all the things to this location. How to copy? So general, what is the command to use copy the files? What is the command which we can use to copy the files?
cp
Cp. Here only files are existing or directories also existing?
files under directories.
Directories. So cp minus r star all the files I want to copy star to where you want to copy slash
Slash.
root. How can say if you copy the files are I copied all the things. So these all the files are directories existing both the places or only one place?
Both are places, sir.
Both the places. So current location existing. Go to the target location or ls minus
And
lrt. This target
L-
location. Yes.
yes, sir.
Under this target location, the same files are there. You can say 4. Your target location also 4. Means if you want to copy all the files and directories, you can use cp minus r recursively, forcefully. If you use only cp command, it's not copying directories. It's not copy the directories. Only copy the files means cp command. That is the difference between cp minus r. Clear? Okay, we covered all the. Let me copy all the files and the directories. Okay, clear? So we know how to create a file. We know how to insert the data. We know how to copy the files, how to copy the directories, how to copy all the files and directories, how to move the files, how to move all the files and directories, then how to remove the files, remove the directories. Till this we completed. Okay. So how to, we'll see tomorrow. Okay. So tomorrow we'll see how to add the users and the groups. Okay. Clear any queries from anyone? Day 7, day 8. These are very, very important. Okay, so please practice. Linux commands. Yes, day 7, day 8. Okay, next 2 or 3 days it will take Linux commands. Then after we'll start the SQL. Any queries from anyone?